today. Just kind of out for a cruise. Having some fun. Charlene actually took the bike today. Went out riding, which is pretty cool. I love when she rides to work. She seems to be in a better mood usually. I always tell people when you get to ride your bike to work, it kind of gives you something to look forward to in the morning to wake up to. And yeah, it gives you this little something to look forward to, and it also gives you something to look forward to when you get home, or when you're going home. Alright, so we're gonna hit the highway. We're gonna see if I fix that clicking issue. I doubt I did. Probably still gonna click like a son of a bitch. But that's what we get. Oh shit! That was lost it there a little bit. Fucking roads, man. Oh shit. I don't think I fixed the clicking issue. I mean, I'm not hearing the cable hit the mic, but it's definitely there, I think. I also think changing the angle of the camera helped a little bit. What's this guy doing? Cute little bike. I'm not trying to go too fast today. I don't want to get myself in too much trouble. I'm not wearing enough gear to make it count. I love this area. It's so nice. Beautiful day. It's 73 degrees, sun's shining. Great day for a ride. Having fun. Cows laying in the shade. Those are some happy cows, man. Every time I see those cows, they seem pretty stoked. Just such a fun road to ride. Like I said, I don't want to go too fast. Probably shouldn't go too fast. $65, that's a great speed. Sorry I'm not talking much, it's just a fun day. Good day to ride. a fun turn because it just keeps going. There's the reservoir. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Just do a quick loop around. We're going into the wind. It's beautiful though. Wow, look at all that blue. Editing a lot of stuff. I mean, trying to figure out how editing works and using clipboard and trying to figure out everything. And it's not terribly hard, but it is slightly difficult. I'm not gonna lie. I definitely have respect for all those YouTubers out there that can put things together and it just looks so good. I started following way back in the day when I first really heard about YouTube. There's a guy, Sean Smoke. He had a YouTube channel. He's a moto vlogger, and yeah, he was really good. In fact, he's the reason why I own an Iron 883. He bought an Iron 883 kind of early on, and I was like, I want one of those. I kind of want to test one out. And he kept talking about his and doing little fixes and customizations and whatnot. And I was like, you know what? That's a pretty cool bike. I want to do that. So he was the reason why I bought my very first Harley. And that's pretty cool, you know. I was like, wow, man. And he lives in Oregon, I think, Oregon or Washington, Northwest, Pacific Northwest. But it was really inspiring to me because I was just like, wow, I really want to, you know, get an Iron 883 and I want to ride it. And I want to have fun with it. Honestly, it was my first introductory bike to Harleys, and I was like, I love this. This is like a sport bike with a Growl. And that was like perfect for me. I really love Harleys. I love the Sportster series. I love the way they feel. They're kind of sporty, and they got a bite. They got a little bit of a growl to them. I mean, it's not the fastest bikes I've ever owned, but they're definitely the most fun. I have to say though, I do miss my sport bikes. I do miss my Ducati. I do miss my Honda CBR. It's just, I don't know. I just love these bikes so much. They're just perfect. Still get you in trouble, but for the most part, they're pretty tame. back to the store. Probably have a beer. For those of you who don't know, the Azalea Mountain store, it is also a tap room. We have one of the largest selections of microbrew and nano batch beer on the I-5. It's pretty fun. My brother's the one that does all of the ordering and stuff. So it's always fun to go in and check out what's there. Go stop by the tap room, see who all is there, maybe have a beer, ride back, hang out, maybe do some more editing. Man, let's do a lot of editing. Like to pull a little wide on that one just because the gravel gets kicked out a lot in that little pass. Same with right there. That's a lot of gravel and just gotta watch out. Get that downshift. Ooh, watch out for that too. Gnarly shit. And it's the birthday girl. What? Happy birthday! How's it been so far?
It's been a good day. Aw, thank you.
Am I still blinking? I thought I turned it off. Okay, cool. Is it still flashing?
You got a red light on.
Oh, okay.